Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a real easy application method for applying your foundation, contour, blush, bronzer. Let's get into it. For this tutorial, you will need a damp beauty sponge and a dry beauty sponge as well. The products that I'm going to be using today is the Brightening CC Serum in Sunny Flash, MORPHE Filter Effect Concealer, ESTÉE Lauder Stay in Place Double Wear Foundation, Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick, Pillow Talk Matte Blush Wand, and the Hollywood Contour Wand. First thing I'm starting off with is some foundation, and I'm using Brightening CC Cream in the shade Sunny Flash, and this is my ESTÉE Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation in Tawny. I'm just going to shake them both up. You will need a damp beauty sponge and a dry beauty sponge for this whole base look. Just a pump or two on the back of the hand, a little bit of the foundation as well. Mix it up on the back of your hand just like this, so that you get a consistency that is nice and smooth. Where did I drop that foundation? Of course, I dropped it on my top. And that's okay. Damp beauty sponge and blend that all in. This will really give out a nice healthy glow. You can skip the, I guess, whatever you want. You can skip the foundation if you want, but that is mainly the crucial step in actually getting out an even skin tone. I really do feel that the brightening serum or any kind of primer that's got a little bit of luminance to it will work really, really well. The Sunny Flash is pretty much like a very sheer bronzer. If you are wondering what I'm wearing underneath this base, it's the Bobbi Brown face base. Next, I'm warming up a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. This one here is by MORPHE, and it's the, haven't used it in a while, the Filter Effect Soft Radiance Concealer. Damp beauty sponge, dipping into that concealer and putting that underneath the eyes. Sometimes a damp beauty sponge is honestly the best way to go. Really does mimic fingers, but gets it done more quickly, I find. Making sure to go the inner corners of the eye. If you feel like you do need to go ahead and powder under the eyes, go ahead and do so. But if you have a really good concealer that kind of doesn't budge, it's not really going to crease, don't worry about powdering. Next, I'm going in with contour just to give a bit of structure to the face. I'm using the Hollywood Contour Wand. This is in the shade medium. Just putting a little bit of that on the back of the hand. Do I have any left? With the damp beauty sponge and contouring. I love this because it really does just sink in so nicely. I'm going to deepen it up just a touch. Going in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the stick bronzer by Rare Beauty. Putting a little bit of that on the back of my hand just here. Warming it up, back of the hand. Damp beauty sponge, picking it up, just about half of that, and bronzing the top of the cheekbones. Now if you want to add a bit of colour, just taking that up towards the forehead first. A little bit over the nose. I'm using the Hollywood Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. This is the shade Pillow Talk. And putting that on the back of my hand as well, just a little touch. Maybe that's even too much. Dry Beauty Blender. Picking up that colour. and popping that onto the apples of the cheek. And you can take that just underneath the eyes as well to really give you that I have been out in the sun all day look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again